Hey guys, what's going on? Mag 1381 here, and today we're gonna have a cold start of all my mowers. Actually, I have three. The X-Mark Quest here. I have the Snapper self-propelled over there, and the John Deere JX75 downstairs. And the reason I'm doing this is because this thing hasn't been running in a while, and I've got to go mow 2 yards tomorrow. Can't believe actually I have some work. Unbelievable. And it's a pretty nice day outside. Turn around here. It's a pretty nice day. Yeah, nice day. I got something else to tell you. And I'm not going to be doing any yas or son of bitches or anything like that. I did one already, but I'm not doing it in this video. So anyway, cold start of the equipment here. Let me get it right there. Hasn't been started about 2 or 3 weeks. So check the gas, and I need to check the oil, but I'll do that when it gets all warmed up. Yeah, plenty of gas. Yeah, plenty of gas. Should have done that. I'm not talking like one tug life. It's hard though. After you watch these videos all the time, it's so hard not to do it. Alright, here we go. You can see how it's kind of running kind of slow, but it'll go. Alright guys, so we got to dump the bags here, so let's put our attention over here. Alright guys, there you go. So now let's go and start the Snapper self-propelled up. And yeah. Alright guys, so here we go. I have got the Snapper self-propelled. It's a 6.75 horsepower intake. Overhead valve engine, Briggs & Stratton of course. Snapper, high back, real nice mower. I do not have a bagger for it. Yeah, y'all. I don't even have a bagger for it, only because it didn't come with one, and I bought it from a man. So I haven't started this up since the last cold start, like 10 or 15, maybe 20 videos ago. So it's about to get interesting. Better pump the bubble, excuse me. Gotta put the dust cover back on. I just haven't had enough time. That was really cool. Want to go? I'm pretty sure that the John Deere hasn't started in months. And I'm pretty sure that would start right up. Want to go? I can feel it. Yeah, it's trying. Let's do this. Probably again. Probably should run for quite a bit. Alright, there you go. I got it going. So I pulled it like 3 more times and white smoke went out and Man, that sure does stink. So I'm gonna let her run for a little while, and yeah. Alright guys, so I'm here in my room with my X-Mark. My camera is getting ready to die. It always dies for some reason because it's just the battery is shitty. So if you want to get a Canon Vixia HFR20, make sure you get another battery. But anyway, let me take this off here so we can actually go with this here. I mean, if y'all see, it'll stay right there only when this is on, but if it's not on, then this just wants to fall. Like, you can't ever get it to stay right. And these bolts here are really loose. So what we're gonna do is take this off. And we're gonna take this off. Then we're gonna drop this down. And then we're gonna take this one off. Kinda hard to do with one hand. Actually, I can't do it with one hand. Alright, now y'all can see how this won't stay up. Alright guys, so sorry about that. Now we have got the right wrench. Shit, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. And I knew it was gonna be like this. Basically wherever you can get it, right? Alright, that one's tightened. Yes. Next one. I can't get it on there, but I'll finish it up here. Appreciate you guys watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Camera's really dusty now. And yeah, I knew y'all haven't seen some equipment videos lately. I'm planning on buying a dethatcher because I really need one, because I haven't dethatched my yard in 11 years, so it's time to dethatch my yard. So I might be buying a dethatcher and adding that to the list of things that Greenway does. So we'll see. Good video. And also there's going to be some other surprises coming up soon, hopefully, if I can get the rights to it. So yeah, we might be building a racing lawnmower this time, or an all-around just regular work mower, one to pull the dethatcher. And so yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all around. See ya.